Okay, take a look at an energy transfer question to support the work we've done recently in the videos on energy transfers and stores. This one we're looking at a bicycle tyre. Okay, Fred pumps up a bicycle tyre, and whilst he does, the pump gets hot. Now that's important, that's going to come in later in the question. How and where was the energy stored before it was transferred to pump up the tyre? So take a look at the picture. The guy there is using his arms and hands to pump up the tyre. So the store, okay, where is it stored? So it is stored in the muscles, okay, and the type of energy that is stored in the muscles, the energy store, is chemical energy. And we know this because we know respiration has got to take place. So there is a store of chemical energy before it's transferred. So your answer needs to be, it is stored as chemical energy in Fred's muscles. Now, important that we say chemical energy, important that we say muscles. You can get away with just saying stored as chemical energy in Fred, and you could also get the mark if you said it's stored as chemical energy in glucose, and that's due to the link of the glucose and the respiration for the release of the energy. Okay, that gets you the 1 mark on that part. Now, like with many of these questions, other topics come in, and the next bit is about pressure. So can you explain how the gas molecules in the tyre exert pressure on the tyre? And you've got to think about movement of molecules, and we know that gas molecules have a lot of energy and they move a lot, and that they will then have collisions. So very simply here, you've got to say that the molecules collide. The collide is the word we're looking for here. Collide, and because they're inside the tyre, they are going to collide with the walls of the tyre. All right. Now, they will accept on this. They will accept if you say they hit the walls of the tyre, or they hit the tyre, or they bounce off the walls, or they bounce off the walls of the tyre. Ideally, we want you to try and start using the words collision or collide, but any of those are accepted for that 1 mark. And then finally, we've got a question here about the effects of temperature. They mentioned in the first part of the question, it said Fred pumps up a bicycle tyre, and whilst he does, the pump gets hot. So we're referring back to this bit here. And the question here is, as the air went into the tyre, it was warmed up by the pumping. What effect does this have on the gas molecules in the tyre? Now, we should be able to recall and remember that when we have an increase in temperature, we are giving molecules more energy. Okay, so if we are giving them more energy, the effect it has is they speed up. Okay, you could also say, or you could say, they move faster, as long as you are demonstrating that you understand that the molecules are getting more energy because of the increase in temperature. You can say that they move faster or they speed up. You will get the 3rd mark. Okay, we hope that helps you. Just give you a little example of an energy transfer question, and we'll see you again soon with another one. Did you know that you can purchase our physics worksheets, answer sheets and checklists which accompany all of our science revision lessons, which have been created for years 7, 8 and 9? These essential digital downloads are grouped by topic and are available from our online shop at inmyelement-uk.com. If you've got any questions, just drop me an email and I'll be more than happy to help.